Hi guys, today I want to talk about the engine sound and the smoke generator. As you can see, John and Tim are two smoke generators as well. They take the camel trophy very serious, they told me. But I just want to talk about a different kind of smoke, and the smoke that will come out of the exhaust. Right there. So I'm just going to pick up the car to give it some throttle to start it. So you will hear the engine sound and of course see the smoke from the exhaust. Here we go. There you go. After about 10 seconds, 13 seconds, it will turn off, and I'll open up the body, lift it up and show you the sound module. Here we go. So in the front I placed the sound module, as you can see there. It's the ESS-ONE from Sense. Very good unit, I think. It's very easy to program with all kinds of different engine sounds. As well, you can, program a horn into it, or turbo sounds, or braking sounds, all these things. And over here we have the compressor for the smoke generator. This is actually a little pot with a heating coil in it. And the vapor goes to the exhaust, which is right there in the back, but it's hard to see it from this side. Over there you'll see it. So it's a little chrome pipe from a tool like an antenna. So I took one of those bigger pieces out of it, shortened it and attached it to the bracket of the mud guard over there. And as well, I placed two switches on each side. Right there is the other one. Hope you can see it. This one and that one. And underneath the chassis I can turn them off or on. And this one will turn off the smoke generator, and this one will turn off the sound. So I don't have to lift the body to turn those things on or off. So the compressor pump pumps the air into this little pot with a heating coil, and if you give more throttle, the harder it blows, or it pumps, and it blows out through the exhaust hose. That's what I wanted to show you. I got another smoke generator as well. So this is like the little pump. I taped the back, as you can see there, underneath those tie wraps. And that's just to seal off this print from any water or mud. Just like that. And then you have this little pot with a heating coil. Put some double-sided tape underneath and stick it to the chassis. You can see there. And the smoke generator comes with a small print like this, and one is for the connection of the motor, the pump motor, and the other one to the little pot with the heating coil. And this print I placed in a small plastic box I had laying around. So you see here, there's the print inside with the two connections, and it's the same, this one, just like that. So I cut some from the side, some little, with a hot knife, some little openings to fit in the wires on both sides, and then I use some glue to seal it off. It's like a shoe repair glue, bit rubbery kind of glue. I use this one, and it makes it a little bit waterproof, I would say. So, just gonna show you underneath the chassis for the switches and the exhaust pipe. So I'm gonna close the body and put it on its side. Oh, it's quite a heavy car though. So I'll show you the exhaust, so I'm gonna zoom in a little. As you can see, there's the pipe with two plastic cable straps for inside a compartment, electronic compartment, to hold all the cables together. I use those two to hold this pipe. Drilled two little holes into the bracket of the mud guard, this bracket, as you can see. So that's how I did it. And the hose goes into this pipe. Over here I'll show you so this is on the left side. Here's the switch for the engine sound to turn it on or off. And over there is the switch to turn off or on the smoke generator. So I'm going to put down the camera and set up the car straight. That's it for today. So I hope you liked it, and just like, share and subscribe, leave a comment, and see you the next time, and goodbye.